Good morning, guys. How you doing? Hope you're having a good one. It is June 24th, Thursday. Let's go over the graph. I know there's not a lot of people who are into the graph, but I think there's a loyal following here on this YouTube channel, so I want to make sure I cover this. Real quickly, before I get into the analysis, I have a question for you guys, and it's where I kind of want to take this YouTube channel. So give me your feedback in the comments, even if you just get a few people, that'd be helpful. Do you guys enjoy me showing more of the live trades in here, managing these trades and all that? Or do you guys like more of the videos to be focusing more on the market metrics and what's happening behind the scenes for Bitcoin and everything as a rising tide, and also the metrics, what the whales are doing? So what do you guys enjoy and prefer more? What would you like to see more of? More of metrics videos of what's happening behind the scene to help you trade that way? Or would you like to see more videos and more in-depth analysis about doing live trades in here? So leave that in the comments, and I'd really appreciate that, and it helps you guys, and it helps me grow in a positive, good direction for everybody in the community of what we want. All right, guys, the trend dashboard is looking very good for GRT. This is good news, guys. The RSI, the stochastic, MACD, and the 50 MA is all green. Any type of positive news for the 100 MA or the 200 MA, that's going to be very good. We are so close, guys, to our entry. I know you've been waiting so long in here. Oh my gosh. We got in here actually at a price of about 83, 84 cents, and it dropped out like crazy on us. We got our second buy limit, and then we got our third one, and now we are almost back to break even. So great job, guys. If you're subscribed to this channel, you'll be seeing all the wins that I call on this channel here. Also, tradeconfident.io, make sure you guys are going over here. The last trade we won was 15.14% on Bitcoin. Every trade I call, I go for 10 to 20% profit on every single one. So I will be updating that for you guys soon if we can get into the positive here. The price versus the whale money flow, this indicator in price is going to be going up July 1st. So make sure you guys just snag this before that. It's about a few more days, about a week. Price as well as money flow is positively correlating for the graph. This is very, very good sign when we see this. I love seeing this for pumps up in the market. It means that retail traders, the technical analysis, as well as the whales are all pushing this up at the same time. It's just beautiful, pushing us into the profit, okay? The trend exhaustion here has not actually tipped out here in the top red zone yet, so I absolutely believe we still have more momentum to move us up here into the positive. The trend exhaustion as well is available in the description, so you guys can get that on your charts. Before I raise the prices of that, it's like ridiculously underpriced right now. The market metrics. Let's go over this, and then this will wrap up the video. What do you guys need to be looking at today as far as a market at whole? Bitcoin is what you need to be looking at every single morning. It's going to be affecting the graph here. The short trades are continuing to drop off on Bitcoin, which will affect the graph, but the long trades are actually increasing here. This is a very cool move. So long trades increasing, short trades decreasing. Very bullish for us in the market. You can see an increase in long trades, but when short trades increase as well, hey, something's up here, and that's when I usually expect to see drops in the market, as well as right here when we saw this drop as well. This was actually a 40% drop straight down after we got this here, and then we saw this nice move down as well. So make sure you guys are checking this every single morning. Trades in favor. We are still saying that long trades are still in favor in the overall market. That's kind of obvious, I think. But when we start moving up into the neutral and the long neutral section up here, and the good short and the good and great short places, this is not necessarily the greatest time to be looking for long trades. I think that's pretty self-explanatory, but I'm not going to be taking any shorts. That's what I'm telling you guys. If anything, if you're like, hey, I want to get it in the market, it's going to be looking for long trades. The death cross is still active. I really want to see this green background come above the red. This will give us a positive sign that the 50 MA has actually moved above the 200 MA, taking us out of the death market, the death cross, okay? So the emotional index right now, it's still sitting at anxious, which makes total sense. People don't know if we're going to keep heading up, but you know what? It's still in a bearish cycle down. I know people are looking at this move here and they can point out the low, the high, the higher low, the higher high. You can almost point out on every single crypto, but if you look at the market as a whole here, we are seeing, a high, a low, a lower high, lower low, lower high. Could we form another lower low down here? I don't know. I personally don't know, but let's get some more ideas of what the whales are doing right now. The whale and the institutional money are backing off their long trades, okay? That's what I can tell you guys. Every time we see this price go down, your guys' fear enters the market. You guys get scared. You guys are selling. You guys are getting anxious and fearful. These whales are buying your guys' dips like crazy. They're buying your sells. So they bought this all the sell trades down here that you guys pushed out of the market. They were so kind to liquefy you guys out of your trades, and they ended up buying all of it, driving the price back up. So they're making the money. If you guys literally just follow this chart here, you follow the whale position, and you follow the trades in favor, as well as watch what the overall market is doing here, like, you guys are gonna be fantastic. Like, this could be your technical analysis every morning, and I think you do actually really, really well. Okay, so just letting you guys know, the whales are taking long trades off the table. They are looking to put, I think, let me say this another way. The long trades are increasing here, okay? But this doesn't mean this is always what the whales are doing. This is the market as a whole. So this incorporates retail traders as well as whales and all of that. Okay, this chart down here, I don't want to get confusion here. This is very crystal clear. This is showing you what the whales and the institutional, what they call the smart money, is doing. They buy opposite of emotions, okay? It's what's happened for many, many years, and that's how they make their money, and it's why this chart isn't deadly accurate, okay? So their long trades they're pulling long trades off the market. Why is that? Is because it's not necessarily the smartest thing to actually short into a market that's going up, okay? You want to be buying into that. But as we hit this resistance here, which I'm going to show you this on GRT, this is basically the resistance that correlates to Bitcoin and everywhere else. We're just past it right now. When we break, this is called a break and a retest. So a break and a retest of pretty much a resistance structure here, that is where we could see a move down. Graph is sitting very nicely because it's already actually pushed past this, and it's showing a bullish sign up. It did actually see a move down, and it pumped back up. So this is very good. Could we see the graph actually get into the positive and hit 75 cents by the weekend? Like, I think that, like, Saturday or Sunday, not by the weekend, but like, I think Saturday or Sunday we could possibly see this move up here. Volume does drop off over the weekend, but I think 75 cents is something we could possibly see within the next 3 to 4 days, I would say. Maybe 5 days, maybe a Monday or Tuesday move for that. So just be aware of this and watch this on a daily basis, that the big guys, they're pulling off their long trades. When we start dipping down into the short trade area, that's when you know we're getting to the top and the price has actually moved up pretty well, and that's when they start shorting out on you guys, and that's when actually your greed takes over and they start dropping the price out. So the whale positions, they're looking still okay. I like that we're creating a high volume node down here. This is showing that the trades are increasing down at this 32,000 level. This is giving us nice support on the chart. I want to see this increase over the next few days. Over the weekend, watch this. I'm not going to be doing videos Saturday, Sunday, or Monday because me and my wife are going on a vacation. We're having our first baby here August 9th, actually. So we're going to go on a little baby moon here. So make sure you guys are watching this over the weekend. I will keep it updated. But if we can break past this resistance at about 36,000, this is going to be a nice move up, guys. So over the weekend, over the next few days, I think we could start pushing up into the 75 cent area. I might actually move this sell limit down here to probably around 75 cents of where I'm calling this. That will still give us about a 16% move, but make sure you guys are over here and you are subscribed to tradeconfident.io, where all the live trades are being called out, and you guys are able to come in here and follow this every single day. All of these are live trades. I do not send email notifications out for when I update this. You guys would hate me because you guys would get blown up on your emails, but come back here and just check it once a day for any updates, and you guys can stay updated with me. Everything is buy limits and sell limits, so nothing is happening super fast. It's like, okay, check it, and we're just waiting for a sell limit to get hit. It's the best way to trade. I'm telling you guys, buy limits and sell limits are amazing. So God bless you guys. Have an amazing day. This is looking bullish for GRT. I wouldn't doubt if we get a little bit of a correction in here, so don't freak out if that happens. But overall, the market is still looking good for a positive recovery to start heading back up. We'll see. Watch the metrics every morning. That's what's going to tell you guys what the big whales are doing and what the overall market's looking like. So make sure you guys don't miss that. Have a good one, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.